What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I've last vlogged, but like I mentioned before, the truck was getting color matched and I've been pretty busy with work and stuff, but the truck is finally done. Look, check it out real quick. Now it looks clean. Looks aggressive. I even got the tow hooks painted red. Give it the extra little touch. I retinted my front windshield too. Come out pretty clean. And then let's check out the rear bumper. Look at that. So this rear bumper is off the tremor. I added a little spoiler to it too. Looks clean. And look, I also installed the platinum taillights. For those of you that don't know, you actually need to get these taillights programmed through Forescan, because these trucks, they come with halogen taillights and you need to do an LED conversion. So that means you do need to buy a wiring harness and obviously program them. But what we're going to be doing today is I'm gonna be swapping my steering wheel. So I actually bought one. Shout out to my boy Jose. He actually hooked me up with the Hellgato steering wheel. So we're gonna be swapping that. This one's cool and all, don't get me wrong. It's the XLT leather steering wheel, but the other one looks more aggressive. So we're gonna do that right now. So right now I'm gonna pull it in real quick and then we're gonna get started. What up, my boy?
What's good, brother?
What you doing?
Shit, just taking off these badges. It's kind of being hard, but it's alright. We'll get there.
Shit. Well, let me show them my new steering wheel. My steering wheel. Oh shit. Check out my plate. For those of you that don't know, I actually make custom plates, so. All right, let's see. What the fuck? Fuck yeah. Look at that shit. Yeah, how do you think it's gonna look inside the truck?
Huh?
How do you think it's gonna look inside the truck?
That shit's gonna look sick.
Fuck, that's dope. Look at the carbon fiber.
Fuck around, I'll put it in my car.
Fuck around and I'm gonna take out your manifold and put it in the truck.
Nah, I'll fuck around, I'll make my shit 4x4.
Dude, he's saying?
Instead of rear-wheel drive.
Okay, I like that. The only thing I wish this steering wheel would have had is just that red line in the center. Looks pretty dope though.
Like that.
Looks pretty dope. Look.
I just put a piece of vinyl.
True. A little pinstripe. Looks pretty dope. All right, cool. So first thing first, we need to disconnect the battery before we remove the actual steering wheel, and that's so that way the airbag doesn't deploy. So. Okay, cool. So once you actually unbolt the battery connectors, you go over here. You're gonna rotate the steering wheel at a 90-degree angle, and you're gonna pop out the little clips that are in the back.
All right. You want to go to the passenger side?
Yeah, let me go real quick. Let's see.
All right. Preferably, what helps if you have a little flathead like this with a slight bend, or buy one, bend it yourself, either or. So there's a little groove back here with like a little hole. You push basically all the way to the bottom. You just gotta find it. Oh.
There you go.
There you go.
Pop right out.
All right. Then go to here. Same shit. There you go. So the thing is, here's the other steering wheel. So I don't know, on the videos, if you see them, they're telling you to go in that groove, go all the way down, but the groove, you don't go all the way in to the steering wheel like that. It's literally right here. You guide yourself right here, and instead of going all the way down, you just literally go in like a ½ inch and then pry down, and that's all it is. And then, well, here's that, and then you just got your connectors. Let me get this out the way.
There you go.
It's like diffusing up. You know?
There you go. So now you just have to
Then you gotta get this.
The little red one.
It's right here in the corner. Get that one.
So pretty much you just have to unclip the orange and pry it up, right?
Yeah, so the orange, they're normally, these orange ones are pushed in. Like, watch, I'll show you. Point is, they're pushed in, and then from back here with the flathead, you pop them up, and then you can just pull this up.
Cool.
So, yeah. And then this one, hold up, anyway. I need light real quick. Okay. Take that one with the harness. Hold the bag right here. So this one, if you can see, it has a locking tab, this gray thing. And then down here, it has another locking tab. But actually, we'll just take the white locking tab out. I think that's the only one. All right, so this connector right here, this white one, it's a lock for it. So this one goes right here. You see there's a pin, or a little hole, I mean. And then there's a pin on this one. It slides in like that and locks in place. This definitely helps. To be honest, you put it under the red, pry it up, and at the same time with your thumb, you're on the edge of this, popping it out. Now that that's off, you come back here, and there's a groove right there, and you just, it's kind of dumb design, but you do your best to get under it. And it pops off. So like I said, this one can go back on here. See how it goes on like that? So all I did was I pried from right here up, and then with my nail or whatever, I pulled on the little lip right here back on the white tab. And yeah, once you get this one, same shit, pry up and then pull this connector out, and that's it.
Cool.
So now pass me the star bits. So there's right here, it's star bit. From what we've seen, they torque them to 41 to 46 pounds, right?
It was like 41.
41 to 46, anywhere in between there. No, it's gonna be a big ass one. Bring me the set. I mean, that one works, but you don't have one bigger?
It's gonna be a 50. Let's take both. Try that one. I think that's a 47. That's a 50.
Yeah, that's the biggest one you have?
Still? see. 55.
I have a 53 because that's the one I needed for my car. Yeah, it's gonna be smaller than that.
So 53?
Yeah, because this is what? 50?
You don't have a 53 on you, huh?
No, or 52. I think it'll work. You have your breaker bar?
Yeah. Yeah, let me get these since you're not gonna use them. I'll organize them in a bit. Here.
Alright, so you gotta improvise. I have adapters for the sockets. So this one goes to a 1/2 inch right there. Because this breaker bar, your breaker bar is a 1/2 inch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 1/2 inch to 3/8. Right. Then now you just gotta hold the wheel, loosen it. We use the T50. It works. It just feels a little loose. So obviously, if you're not doing it straight, you're gonna strip the bolt for sure. And that's the last thing you want to do on this is strip the threads.
So what do you think it's bolted down to? Probably like a 40?
I just do like 43 to be safe. Oh, fuck is textile?
They're females, bro.
Don't have any.
Yeah, that's right. Only men.
What the fuck? Casi para sacar el puto Mustang, güey.
But it's a nice ass day out too. Look at that. Lately, Cali's weather has been pretty good.
Alright, here's the butt.
There. Damn, Loctite for the win.
Oh, pero we gotta take off that clip.
Which clip?
That's the way, the black one.
It's good. Pop it out.
Alright, there we go. Like I said, comes in clutch.
Yeah, show them the tool real quick.
Alright, hold on. This tool, this one,
There it is.
comes in clutch because if you look here where the clip connects, you just shove it in the middle, pry down, and then pull this one off. And that's it. Here's your steering wheel.
This one's pretty cool. Okay, so now we go over here. Set that one down there. Now we get the new one. Oh shit. Anyway.
Alright, so my boy has a big boy torque wrench. So the lowest we can go is 42, which is alright because they say to torque it to 41. So we're just gonna use this one, 1 foot-pound more. Hopefully it won't hurt nothing.
Should work.
Alright, but I'm gonna need you to actually like hold it, bro.
Dale.
It's turning.
So I had to put the camera down so that way I could put both hands on the steering wheel so that way he could torque it down. So we're just gonna do it one more time so that way you guys could hear it click.
I upped it just a little bit.
There you go.
So that is 48 foot-pounds.
That's the famous click you want to hear. So now we're gonna clip everything back up.
All right. Hold it right there. Do that. Todo musco. Ya pusimos este.
Cool. Everything bolted up.
Cool. This red one. See this groove right here? Lock it right here on the backside.
And that's it. Cool. So now all we gotta do is just plug in the battery. That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. Okay, cool. I just turned the truck back on. Right now what we're gonna go do is we're gonna go shoot some reels and take some pics with the new steering wheel. So I'll pick up the video once we do that.
Right here, mobbing the boy Julio. Where are we going?
Shit, we're gonna go take some pics. The new steering wheel. It looks pretty sick.
New steering wheel, a little carbon fiber action. On our way to go take some quick flicks and stop at the gas station. You gonna pump?
7-Eleven.
Oh, 7-Eleven. You
Fucking thirsty, bro.
you always are.
Yeah. Traficales.
Some light. Little F150. Puts in work. Ain't that right? Lightweight. That folk could get the gap.
Oh, it's the new 2024.
Oh yeah. All my phone's ringing. It's pretty clean.
Shit, what are you gonna get then?
Fuck, I don't even know. I'm gonna get something.
Fuck it. Like they sell fucking candies of Chile. El vicio, mira.
Oh yeah.
Aquí está tu vicio. Oh shit. Oh, some lifesavers.
No.
Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. That's the way we did it and it worked out for us. So stay tuned for more content. I'm gonna be dropping off the truck soon to get exhaust work done, so hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, but for now just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.